Or a Rachel. Got another bonus. We know what we do. Gamble it once. Easy for dip. Let's go. Still waiting for the list. We don't have a list. Should I take it though? Of course I take it. Get there. Woohoo! Get in. Get in. Yes, come on now. 135. If this hits now. Is it? No! We need one more. One more. We get a multiply reel, right? Or am I? No, it's one away. Yes. Bronze multiply wheel unlocked. You know what this is gonna pay, right? It's pretty funny though. I did it once a year. Alma had one crazy picture there. I renewed it as well. But it was fun. But we always have full reel. We always get full reel as well. Oh shit! Imagine these two now or something these. Queen! Queen of first. Queen! 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 Give me queen! No! Imagine queen. Jacks now, double jack. Get the goddamn jack here now. Take the queen, remove the queens first so we can get some more jacks. 45. Oh, that's a good queen. Get the goddamn queen or ace. Queen or ace. Nothing. 160. You better work it up. Green first. Bronze wheel. Up it now. Up it now. Not a 2x, please. 4x! Oh, everybody. It's time for this night. We hit the last... what we needed. Hello, YouTube. And Bounty Pop. Thank you for an amazing hit. Oh, 3K perfectly, everybody.